Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious homemade crispy tacos, which are way better than takeout. The process is quick and easy, and at the end we get to dig in wonderful veggie tacos. To me, it's a pretty perfect night. Firstly, in a pan, add 1 chopped onion and cook it under medium flame. Now I'm using this pre-packaged taco spice mix from Pam's and mixing it with the onions. You can also use homemade taco seasoning if you don't have a pre-packaged one. Now I'm adding some kidney beans. So I've already boiled these before and I'm going to just mix it in with the spice mix and onions. Now I'm going to add some frozen corn. Keep mixing it and cook it until you're satisfied. Depending on your taste, you can choose whether or not to add this extra spice mix. And I'm also going to add some salt with some water and just cook it for a little bit longer. This is how it should look like, and it's done now. I'm using these crispy taco shells which are already pre-made. This is how it looks like on the inside, and I'm going to remove the packaging and place each of them on the baking tray and bake it around 4 to 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to prepare the salsa. I have all the ingredients over here to make it. So first up, in a bowl, add some chopped tomatoes. And now add some chopped onion. Now add in some chopped coriander and some lemon juice. And now we're just going to mix all of this together, and here we have our salsa. Now we're going to make some guacamole. So I have some avocado in a cup over here, and I'm just going to add it into the bowl. And what we're going to do is we're just going to smash it so it's all nice and smooth. Now we're going to add some tomatoes, onions, some crushed pepper, salt, and lemon juice. And mix it in all together to make some guacamole. Here are all the ingredients to make the filling of the tacos. Firstly, we have our bean and corn mix, we have cheese and some lettuce, and we also have a salsa, and we have a guacamole. So now here are the baked tacos. They're going to be nice and crispy. So you can layer it however you want. So I'm going to start with the lettuce on the bottom. Now I'm going to load it up with some bean and corn mix, and then some guacamole on top, and the salsa. And to finish it off, top it up with some cheese, and you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below how you make your tacos because I really want to know. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!